Okay guys, today I'm gonna show you two methods on how to make an earring, and it's gonna be using paper on both. One is for UV resin and the other one is just completely paper if you don't have the supplies or don't want to buy the supplies for UV resin. All the tools and supplies are listed below, and this earring is from the anime Demon Slayer and is worn by the protagonist Tanjiro. So we have our UV lamp ready. Okay, and then also this. If you go to the description, you'll see a bunch of this and you can download it for free. And then we're gonna make paper earring as well. So in the file, you will have a bunch of sizes that you can choose from. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut these out right now. And then over here, showing the camera, I'm gonna fold it so that it will match. And then we're gonna glue it down. Yay. Make sure that it's also matching the base. So that we have double-sided on our earring. I know I did this last time already on the other live, but somehow I messed things up. So this time, we're gonna make it perfect. Put it right here. I'm cutting it through. So how would you say good morning in Japanese? Anybody know? Good morning in Japanese? Putting it right here, like so. And then I have napkins to wipe my fingers. What else am I missing? Plastic piece. This one. Alright. There. And then my resin supply. Okay. Now we only need really this one. We only need this one. Yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it in. Get the cap off. Putting it in. You know what else we need? We need a torch. A torch, because last time I got air bubbles. Okay, hold it down with your finger. Oh, it's moving. It's moving. That's good. I'm gonna have to show you guys. So you got that goo right there. You make sure that your resin cover that. Hey, don't go nowhere. Like that. Ooh, now it's covering everything, so that's good. Okay. Now, just in case there's air bubble forming, we are going to blow it off. I'm gonna flame this. Wrong one. There we go. Blowing off the air bubbles. Because last time we got a puddle of air bubble because I decided not to torch it. Here we go. Put that in. And we'll do that for 1 minute. There we go. 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. And there. Nice. It fits perfectly. Okay, you guys. I'm going to show you around. So in this part right here, once you have placed the paper perfectly inside the frame, you want to dash in some UV resin and spread it around, but not overflowing. And you want to make sure that you wait for a while so that the liquid part, the resin, soak into the paper. Don't you dare give me air bubbles this time. I am gonna spray it and hopefully we don't get any air bubble this time. Okay, here's the sprayer, spray away. Get some of that air bubble out. Okay, that's good. Woohoo! We didn't burn anything this time, guys. We are safe, nothing got burnt. And so, Going back to the UV lamp. Everybody's safe. Now that the resin earring is complete, we are going to do the paper version of that same earring. Once again, this template is available in the description for free, so go ahead and pick it up. How do you say bye in Japanese, huh? Bye is ja mata or mata ne. But how do you say hello in Japanese? Here we go. Download this in the downloadables in the Google Drive. And then keep on cutting this right here, making it perfect. And then I want to keep on cutting this, because now I don't need to fold it in half anymore. I am going to glue that in the construction sheet. Front side, and then you do the back side. Konnichiwa, yes. Hi, Lord Chaos. And then Ohayo gozaimasu, translate to good morning. I took a few lessons but couldn't remember. At least you know now, right? So Ohayo gozaimasu, that's good morning. And we're still in morning time here in Las Vegas, North America. And just to make it thicker, you know, you can fold it in half how many times you want. Better with construction paper. This is kind of construction-ish, but it's kind of flimsy. So that's why I'm doubling up. Put it together. I'm gonna put it in like the corner of it. And stick it to the other side the same way. You can see how much did I leave off, and then you do the same thing. Right. It perfectly clean. Okay, so I have this. I want to use something to poke it, so I have needles that can poke it. Sakura-chan, hello. And then we have, oh yeah, Lyra. If you're still in the nail shop, is your nail person, do they speak Vietnamese? Can you ask them that? Put this in the middle. And then, be careful not to poke your hand, of course. There we go. Although, yeah, like that. I think I'm gonna recommend that. Okay, since I already did this, but I'm gonna recommend that if you lower the hole, then maybe it will prevent this to break. So lower it a little bit more would be better. But we can work with this right now. Thank you so much. And then we're gonna loop this in. Okay, like this. Show that to my camera. Loop that in. Put that in and loop that in. Okay. Okay. All right, time to give it a test. Yeah. Bring it in. Okay. Find the hole that works. Turn this off first. Okay, the task is to find where the hole is, because I have like 2 holes that sometimes they close up on each other. Oh, I got it. Yay us. Look at this, front and back. So yeah, you can do it either way, guys. And now the task is to do it on the other side, right? So I'll do it later at another date, or maybe on another live when I'm free. So yeah, I think that looks pretty cool. Don't you guys think? It's pretty nice, huh? So yeah, if you have like a threading tool that is kind of thick, it makes a pretty good hole punch. So yeah, think about that. So don't forget that there are free things for you to collect in the description. Go ahead and check them out, cut them out, make your own earring. Tag me on your social media or send me the results. If you want my email, just comment below and I'll give you my email so you can send me the results of you wearing it. I would really love to like broadcast your results, your product, your end product. Yeah, so take a picture with it, be cute with it, whatever. And I have TikTok and I have Instagram. I would like to showcase your work. Now, if you're a young person and your parents don't like you to show your face on social media, that's perfectly understandable. Just go ahead and hide your face. Okay, hide your face but show your earring. You got that? All right, I would love to see what you guys come up with. And that's it for today. All right, tune in for the next live. We will do a lot of fun stuff. The next one, the designated one, is on Thursday. So on Thursday at 5 o'clock Pacific time, we'll do like a longer live. So you can come in and out. You can do your homework, have fun, you know, whatever goes, right? Okay, you guys have a good night. Oh, it's still morning. Have a good day. All right, bye.